Hey guys, Jacob here with a cool product spotlight for you 6.0 liter Powerstroke guys. Today I want to show you guys our blue spring upgrade kit for the 2003 to 2007 Powerstrokes. This is a simple upgrade, super cost effective, increases your fuel pressure by 10 to 15 psi just by this little spring here. We send this all as a kit though because obviously, as some of you guys may know, the housings can be cracked or have problems. That might be a reason why you're replacing it. Your O-rings may be going bad. This piece here that's brass could actually have a problem. Even these little guys here, we've seen the small O-ring there have issues. Just depends on what's going on. You might be having leaks, whatever that may be. So the best time to go ahead and replace your factory spring that is not blue is by going and upgrading to this blue spring kit when you have problems or are having issues. We've actually had trucks go through our service facility here that will not start or run due to a blue spring issue or debris in there that's caused problems in that area or in the fuel filter housing. So anytime you're up there, it's always good to check, make sure your blue spring upgrade has been done on your 6.0 liter Powerstroke. If it has not been, we recommend our kit. It's part number ZZ-11-9. You can find it on our website at zzdiesel.com. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-749-0688.